Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, there are two words and two words only that are apt to start this video with, and those two words are power and might. So guys, I bring you this. US request doctors, nurses seeking to work in America to apply for visas. So that this is now Donald Trump sweeping up all of the medical personnel from all over the world, including Nigeria, of course, to come, of course, to his country and come and rescue them from the global situation that we find ourselves in. So the headline again, US request doctors and nurses seeking to work in America to apply for visas. And then let's now see what Trump is up to this time around. The United States government, led by President Donald Trump, has asked medical professionals seeking to work in America to apply for a work visa at the nearest U.S. embassy. This was revealed on Friday in a statement published on www.travel.state.gov, which also advised foreign medical professionals already in the United States to consult with their sponsors to extend their program. The United States government says the move was part of measures to strengthen the health system to contain the global situation in the country. We encourage medical professionals seeking to work in the United States on a work or exchange visitor, particularly those working to treat or mitigate the effect of the global situation, to reach out to the nearest embassy or consulate to request a visa appointment, the statement reads. For those foreign medical professionals already in the United States, J1 alien physicians, medical residents, may consult with their program sponsors, ECFMG, to extend their programs in the United States. Generally, a J1 program for a foreign medical resident can be extended 1 year at a time for up to 7 years, the statement added. The development comes as the United States of America overtook China on Thursday as the country with the highest number of incidents of the global situation. So now this is now Donald Trump, as I said, sweeping up all of the medical talents from everywhere in the world to come to the United States and come and rescue them from the global situation. So you can already imagine the scramble to the United States Embassy. Anybody that had a nursing degree from 1802 or some whatever it is, they'll just go and say, let me go and chance my local American visa. And you know that this 1 year thing that they are talking about, that you can come and work for 1 year, you can tell that to the Marines, you can sing that to the birds, because as soon as these people enter the United States, Ologwe disappearing act. Now you see it, now you do. Abracadabra. Conversations in the comment section. Donald Trump is sweeping up all the medical talents within the Nigerian space. Come share thoughts. And do you know anybody, by the way, that has any sort of medical qualifications, so you can pass this video on to them? That might well be their escape from the jungle city that is known as the Nigerian state. So come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me, do you think it is right or wrong, this move by the Americans to use their power and their might and their wealth to sweep up all the medical personnel from around the world for their own people, as though their own people are the only people that matter the most? And can you also imagine the scramble for this visa? So all of these are up for discussion in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.